today I'm so excited because I have a mail call. You know how I am when I have my mail calls. I just get so excited because it it just I don't know. When I get a mail call from one of my subscribers, it just touches my heart because they had the kindness in their heart to think about me and want to send me something. So I'm always so grateful and I'm so humbled and I'm always just so elated that I make these videos because I love sharing my garden with you. I love sharing my cooking videos with you. I just love sharing what I do on a day to day basis with my garden family, which I have come to really appreciate each and every one of you. So, with that being said, child, let's get on with the mail call. You know how we do it. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. Yay! Alright, so this mail call was from Lovey from L&L Honeycomb Homestead. Thanks, Lovey. And she sent me this gift. Let's open it up and see what it is. It is lighter than our smartest box. Okay. Oh, no seat bitten. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these. I don't know if you guys know what these are or you have seen these before, but these are little holders for Ziploc bags when you are trying to fill up stuff, and it's like your second pair of hands. And this is amazing, and this is what's going to help me when I start doing my meal preps for the week or the month. Now, I'm Lovey. Let me tell you, Lovey has decided that, she has a family, she's busy. We don't have time to always spend all our time in this kitchen making and preparing meals all the time. Because sometimes we just need a little time to ourselves and we don't want to spend it all the time in the kitchen. So Lovey came up with this great idea that she's going to start doing some meal planning and she's going to start doing some meal prepping to where she can make meals in like bulk and then put them in freezer bags and then put them in her freezer, so it'll cut down on her time that she spends in the kitchen and she can spend more quality time with her family, and she can actually have some quality time for herself. Now, we all need some of that quality time for ourselves, don't we? I know I do. So, Lovey is going to be starting a series that she's been watching some other YouTubers um, on here, and they have been showing her. Well, she's been watching their videos and showing her all kinds of different meals to make. So she thought it would be nice for her to start a series on prepping some meals, and so she can, like I said, cook it in bulk and stock her freezer with already pre-made meals that she doesn't have to be in that kitchen working so hard for. So the person that she was watching used these little contraptions in order to help her in the kitchen. And these things are fabulous because you stand up there. They have suction cups where you can put them on the counter so they won't be moving around. And you put the Ziploc bags here and they hold the bags open. And then as you are pouring your ingredients into the Ziploc bag, your bag isn't like falling all over. It stays stable and stays in that position until you're ready to take the Ziploc bag off of the stand. And these things right here, you can adjust them. See, They can be adjusted down low, or you can adjust them down. This is fantastic. And it looks like there's maybe like 10 or 12 in here, to where I can have an assembly line of having all my freezer bags in a row, and I could be putting, if I need beans in there, or I need my seasonings, I can put my seasonings in there, or what kind of sauce I'm going to pour in there, or whatever. Or if I need one that I'm going to be making chicken noodle soup, I can pour the chicken broth in there, or I can put all the seasonings for the chicken noodle soup, and then I can have another bag that I don't put on this holder, and I can just attach it to this bag, so I can have all the liquid ingredients, and the only thing I have to prepare is the noodles, and the chicken's already in this bag with all the seasonings and the chicken broth. This is a game changer. So I am going to be starting my meal preparation, and I'm going to be making a big batch of spaghetti because we love spaghetti in this house. So I think I'm gonna make a big batch, and then I'm going to put mine in a single serve freezer bags, like quart size bags, so I can take it out. If I just want some spaghetti, I can just take that one bag out, heat it up, and boom, there's my meal for the day. Instead of putting all that spaghetti in a big, huge bag, and then you have to like defrost it, and then you have to like, scoop some out. I think it would be for me and my family, because you can cater it to however your family needs are, and mine will be perfect because it's just me and my husband now, and I have my kids pop over every once in a while. So if they want to take a couple of meals that I've prepared in the freezer, they can just take those meals and go take it home to their house or wherever they are. They can pop it up in the microwave, heat it up, and then they can have their meals. And if they want to buy all the ingredients, come over here and we meal prep and prepare their meals together using these. That would be fine with me, because that will be showing them how easy it is to buy the ingredients, and then you can just prepare it and prep your bags, and when you want to eat it, boom, there it is. Like if you make a whole big batch of chili, which I always do because it's fall. We're going to be doing crock pot meals. We're going to be doing soups. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff that's going to be quick and easy. So say you're going to do a crock pot meal, and you just put all your ingredients in. If you want to marinate your chicken overnight, you could use one of these, put your Ziploc bags in there, put your chicken in there with your marinade, put your beef in there with all your seasonings, whatever. So when you get up in the morning, you take that bag out, put your chicken and all your seasonings and the liquids, put it in that crock pot, put it on either a medium, low, medium, or high, put that top on it, child, 6 to 8 hours, let it do what it do, and you are done. So I want to say from the bottom of my heart, Lovey, thank you for thinking of me, and I am definitely going to use these because I see this as a perfect thing for me, especially in the wintertime, or especially when I'm out there in the spring and the summer working in that garden, and I'm not going to have time to come in this house to prepare a meal. They can just go on out in the freezer, get whatever they want, and they can put it in the microwave and heat it up. They'll be happy. I'll have peace of mind knowing that they're having something healthy and nutritious to eat, and I don't have to break my neck out in the garden trying to hurry up and get all my garden things done, and then hurry up and get back in this house to cook that meal. So I'm so excited, and I'll have a video coming up soon because, like I said, I'm going to be making a big pot of spaghetti, and I will be using these with my little freezer bag on here, and I will be divvying up this spaghetti so they can have it whenever they need it. All right, so thank you, and I hope that I will inspire you like Lovey has inspired me. And you need to go over to her channel, L&L Honeycomb Homestead, because your girl is throwing down on showing you how to get ready for these winter months and even in spring and summer. So you don't have to be in that kitchen all the time. And this would be even good when you are out in your garden harvesting all those bell peppers and onions and herbs. You can just, like me, I freeze a lot of my bell peppers, and you see me chopping up my bell peppers and putting them in them Ziploc bags. This would be perfect. Make me up an assembly line of like 4 of these with my bags on it, and then just dice all red bell peppers, put them in the bag. Dice, dice, dice all green bell peppers, put them in the bag. This would be perfect. There are all kind of uses for these little holders. So I'm so excited. I cannot wait to make that big old batch of spaghetti and start dividing them in my freezer bags in one portion size for one person, and putting them flat, because I'm not going to just put the bag and just have it all standing up. I'm going to lay it down, pat it down, get as much air out of that bag, label it, so it'll be like I can stack like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 bags on top of each other. And that's also, we are saving space in our freezer. Or you can put it in your refrigerator if you know that you're going to be prepping and preparing meals for your family for that week, and you know that that's a meal that you're going to be using for that week. You can put it in your refrigerator so they won't go bad, because you know you're going to be using it in that week. We got to work smarter, not harder. All right? Okay. So, lovey. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You'll see a video, because, child, you know I'm going to use this for sure. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video, because I am going to I had a blast bringing it to you. And plus, I get a new toy to play with. Woohoo! A new toy. Woohoo! So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have another video coming your way. Thanks again, Lovey. I cannot wait to use these, and I cannot wait to start filling up my freezer with all kinds of things I've grown in the garden, or all the things that I'm going to be preparing for our future meals. Woohoo! And it's going to be so nice to take some of that stress off of me. Yay! Thank you, girl. I love it. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I love you.